Hello beautiful people, come with me to explore my favorite mall in Toronto, which is the Yorkdale Mall. We're gonna see what Torontonians are up to for the Christmas. I don't know what the mall has to offer for the Christmas. I know they usually have beautiful installations, beautiful stores, but I'm gonna take you along with me on this little Christmas mall experience. So let's go. So this is for kids, for them to go and see Santa. The price is $65 per family, and you get 3 photos taken with Santa. So you can decide if you want to do this with your kid. I have seen this line like full throughout the week. It might be worth it, I don't know, up to you. So adventure at Simon's. Simon's is new here in Toronto. It's actually a Quebec brand, and it has come to replace the Hudson Bay, which has been our signature store here in Canada in general, and it had a huge installation in Toronto. So let's see what Simon's has here for the winter. So I saw someone wearing this jacket, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want this jacket. It is very stylish, and look at this. It is lined inside, which means it can keep you warm. Let's give it a try. This is what you want when it comes to winter shoes. This that I was actually interested in, they are sold out. We couldn't find it anywhere, and I low-key wish I could take the one on the mannequin, but plenty of people touched that already. So we're gonna pass on that. But let's just continue walking the mall and see what they have for the holidays. What I like about this mall is that it's huge, it's very luxurious. I feel like the selection of products is also a little bit more upscale compared to what you will see at the Asian Center. So if you are looking for those kinds of, upscale picks and upscale finds when you come to Toronto, you want to come here. In addition, it has a lot more space around. It's like, even if there are a lot of people at the mall, I never feel like it's crowded and I can move around. So I really like the vibe, the aesthetics, and everything that this mall has to offer. The Uniqlo store, and we are moving in this direction, and ahead you can see the bubble tea, real fruit bubble tea. I know somebody who is crazy about bubble tea. I am not very crazy about it. I'm learning to like it. Let me know in the comments if bubble tea is your thing. So we're just gonna pass it straight. On the left hand side you have H&M, which you're probably familiar with already. Ahead of us we have Sports Check, which is where you go and get all your sports gear, equipment, not equipment, but like your tennis shoes, your sportswear, and a little bit of athleisure fits. So yeah, and I absolutely love this Christmas tree display. This is by Starbucks here. You have different types of trees all around. I like this display. I think they did a good job with the Christmas tree display, and it goes all the way there. It's really, really, really pretty. I'm trying to avoid people. They keep walking in my frame. Like, look at this. Look at this. Oh, cha.
Huh? You're beautiful.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So you can see that beautiful tree display here at the back. It's absolutely gorgeous. So the Zara store is that way. The other thing with this Yorkdale mall is that I actually don't know all the stores that are here. And every time I'm like, oh, this is a new store that I probably don't know, or maybe it's just like newly opened, right? So here is Simon's where we were. You can see Sephora in the background. Let's walk towards the end of this alley and then we check the other side. This display by Louis Vuitton reminds me of what I saw in Wichita at the one of their garden, the Sedgwick Zoo. They have an ongoing exhibition for Christmas, and this reminds me of that. As you can see, there's just a lot of space around to move around. I just love it. This mall never feels like it's full. You know, there's always so much space to move around. What this store is about, Gentle Monster, it must be some skin analysis stuff that they do there, but look at the line for people to go there. I mean, if there wasn't a line we would have gone in, but it looks like some deep skin analysis. I see sunglasses, so maybe they do sunglasses that fit the face. Let me see if I can get this girl to come and tell me what they're doing there when she comes. Here you have the Tiffany & Co luxury jewelry store. You can see the Bulgari store, and here hold rent through here. This is Cartier, also luxury goods. And then ahead you can also see Tiffany & Co. I don't know which one this is. What are they doing here? Hi.
This one.
Oh, that I didn't know.
Yes, a lot of our jewelry has. Yeah, it's $9,000.
And that Chanel makes jewelry now, but apparently it's a new thing. So I was just browsing through their new collection of jewelry, and pretty interesting. The prices are in the 9,000s, so you can pop up if that's something that you would wear. I think it's always a matter of choice, taste, and also budget, so everybody knows what they like. But I wanted to show you guys. And this is the Burberry store. Burberry was one of my first perfumes. Actually, let me go and try some of their winter coats. Let's see. This will be really nice. I will rock this shoe. Oh, here's a Dior store. I just keep walking. Let's just see where the tour takes us. But this is the Dior store. Told this mall has the biggest brands that you'll probably be familiar with. And it has more of a luxurious feel. My only thing is that sometimes when I look at those brands, I'm like, I don't really like the designs of what they have to offer. I mean, they are luxury, yes, but I guess we all have different tastes, and I usually just go inside if I know like I kind of like tend to like the taste of this brand that way. Anyways, one day you're going to see the Ngaska store here, okay? You're going to see Ngaska, and you're gonna come back on this video and you're gonna remember Clementine said that. Mark my word, the Ngaska store will be in big outlets like these one day, and people will be flocking from all over the world to shop our products everywhere, because we are worth it, because we deserve it. Look at this Dior photo op installation. If you are a Dior fan, you will love this. J'adore Dior, like they say. You will definitely love this. It's for the chocolates. Oh my gosh, I am a hardcore fan of Lindt. Let's get inside. Different things for the holidays, different flavors. Definitely like this. This looks like a great collection to eat while you're watching some Christmas movies. They have this as well. As is, I like chocolates that are assorted because then you can taste different things. Guys, money is good, eh? Money is good. Let me go back at my home to work on my store, on my business, so that I can make strides towards having it here one day sooner than later, because I love working in spaces like this because it shows me what is possible, and I just cannot wait for the day where the Ngaska store is in these stores and you also come and shop at the Ngaska store in store. I want to show you Mango, which is one of my favorite stores and one of my mom's favorite stores. She got some really good finds at Mango, and then I know that when I'm looking for things for her now, I gotta go at Mango. And mangoes were one of my grandmother's favorite foods. So let's check out what Mango has. Guys, I want to show you more, but this mall is way bigger than the other one and my feet are tired. But if you enjoyed this video, you most definitely will also love that one and this one that YouTube recommends for you. So check them out and see you in the next video.